Hello, and welcome back to Quantitative Reasoning Online. We just recently went over lesson 10b, is it getting crowded here? Going over how exponential graphs may look or not. Went over first differences and percent changes. So let's go and look at the question now. What is question 1? Let's find out. I'm curious, how many parts? Ooh, 6 parts. All right. Now let's see, total population. Analyze population growth from as being linear exponential. I think I need this guy. All right. So what are you asking us to do here? Estimate the population for a city population 10-year intervals 1950 to 2010. Label P. Okay, this is pretty lame. They just want us basically just to recopy down the data off that chart. I can do that. 3, 695, 674, 1980, 4, 430, 565. I feel my brain being heavily taxed here. 5, 264, 689. My pecking finger's getting sore. 6, 066, 646. And 2010, 6, 842, 223. So let's see if I did a proper transcription here. Yes, I did. All right. Now create a spreadsheet with this data. I don't think so, Tim. Well, what do we know about this? I know it starts low, and it is consistently increasing. Okay, so let's see if we can eliminate some. Okay. It's always going up, which means I immediately eliminate this guy and this guy, because this shows going up and going down of population as years progress. This one shows it going down, then going up. Larger, 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 larger. This guy shows it going down. So this is the only one that shows it consistently increasing. And that's what this guy is doing, consistently increasing. Got it. Okay, describe the shape of the graph. Okay, it is A. It appears to be consistently going up, pretty linearly. Kind of a sharp uptick here, and that's what it says. The graph appears to decrease. No. Increase and decrease. No. Graph appears to have a slight curve, but then starts to look more linear. Yep. Here's kind of like that little curve area. Graph appears to decrease and then increase. The only one that even matches the data is this guy. Alright, now let's find the actual growth or the first difference. This is what we did as the first difference in the tutorial. So we're just going to essentially just subtract one from the other. So we need a calculator. So let's pull up a calculator. So we'll take this number and subtract this number from it. So 3,695,674 minus the previous years. 3031, 162. Oh, went away. I can fix that. I can see it. 664, 512. This one here, that's clear, would be for 1980. I'll look at 1980, I'll subtract 1970. So let's take 1980. 4,430,565 minus 1970, 3695, 674. 734,891. 34,891. 1990 minus 1980. 5264. 689 minus 1980s. 4430. 565 for 834, 124. 834, 124. Let's see, so 2000 minus 1990s, so 6066, 646. Minus 1990, 5264, 689. For a change of 801,957. Time to go down. Okay. And last, 2010s minus 2000s population. So 6842. 223 minus 6066, 646 for 775, 577. Hey, that's interesting. 775, 577. All right, let's see if we're correct with our first difference is the actual growth. Population was increasing. Population rate was increasing. Population is still increasing, but now it's starting to slow down at the rate of increase. Hey, done my math right. Outstanding. And now they want us to do the average growth rate, which remember is going to be the first difference of the actual growth divided by the previous decade's growth. So let's take, so this guy took 4,85199 and divided by the 1950. So I should want to take this guy, 664,512, and I'll divide it by 1960s population to see how much it went up compared to the previous decade. 3,031,162 for 4 places. Looks like 0.2192. Oops, clear. So to find 1980s% population change from 1970, we'll take the difference divided by 1970. So 734,891 divided by 3695, 674. for a, looks like 0.1989. Yep, that works. Next one would take, again, the actual growth divided by the 1980, 1980s population. So 834, 124, 4430, 565 for 8.1883. When you round the 4 places. Okay. Oh, bunch of busy work here. Okay, it's actual growth, 801, 957, divided by the previous decade's population, 5264, 689. For 0.1523. Double check. Yes. Lastly, between 2010 and 2000, we had 775,577 population increase. Compare that to the previous population of 6,066,646, for a change of 0.1278. Yeah. Check our answers. They are correct. Oh, wow. Create a scatter plot of the population on the horizontal. Okay, my horizontal looks good. And growth rate on the vertical axis. So let's see. Looks like we were going to do the trend here. 0.19, 0.2, increased. Then it went into a steady decrease with a big dip. So from 1970 it increased and then steadily declined. So we can rule this guy out. We can rule this guy out because this was a steady increase, then a decline. Again, this is showing an increase. So here's what I just said. Had an initial increase and then a steady decline. Initial increase, then a steady decline. So it has to be D, just based on the characteristics of the data. Yep. How does the scatter plot compare to the expected graph if the population was growing exponentially? The growth was increasing and then slowing down. The growth is increasing, growth is slowing down, then increasing. The growth is slowing down. Definitely can't be C, kind of showing this guy. Increasing and slowing down. Well, I'm going to go with A because we have a little increased blip and then one major slow. If it's not B, if it's not A, it's B then. Okay, yeah. It wasn't for the majority of the data. Okay, and that is. And what would a similar question look like? Yeah, we're going to do it. So when you do it, you may get a similar question. Make it the same question, I don't know. Let's save it. So we're done. So we have completed 10B preview assignment. both tutorial and question. Now go back and look at these videos if you need to and do the questions yourself and tutorial yourself. Work with Stephanie to do the workbook up for 10B. Then of course make a PDF copy or a picture of it, upload it into the homework assignment Dropbox, and then work the practice assignment, and you'll be done with lesson part 10B and learning plan 4. Good luck, and I'll see you later for lesson 11 in learning plan 5.